live once again mga ka-Asenso diri sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup Urban Division Games. Final game between Barangay Lumbia and Barangay San Pedro para sa atuang elimination games. And we're at the end of our season. After this game, play-in period na para sa barangay, para sa Urban Division. So congratulations sa mga mananaog and sa tanang participants sa Asenso Barangay Cup. Patrick naitingog. Yun. And Andale nails a 3-pointer for Barangay Tiguma. Wala mo tingog. Another miss for San Pedro. Les Moras to Carion. Missing the 3-pointer. Carion bounce pass to Cabarubias. Saludsod over Andale. Cabarubias up and under is foul. And free throw is good by Cabarubias. Nasunsig ito manan. Takoloy, Luna balik kay Takoloy. Andale. Pull up jumper, Mintes. Cabarubias with the rebound. Now to Les Moras. Migue to Carpentero. Ding Dong Dantes against Les Moras. Almost lost it. Luna, long two, and it's good. Les Moras against Takoloy. Now to Carion. Balik kay Les Moras. Cabarubias. 5-second shot clock. Migue umatake. Stolen. Out of bounds. 1.6 seconds left in the shot clock. Bounce pass stolen by Saludsod. Cabarubias double team, bounce pass to nobody but you. Live trick, no? Oh. Takoloy missed that first throw. Les Moras to Carpentero. Balik kay Les Moras. Balik kay Carpentero. Open 3. Mintes, tapi ka ng bola. Carrion with the rebound, bounce pass now, stolen by Agonia, crosses over against Carrion. Agonia to Andale, to Takuloy, na bitawan ng bola, out of bounds. Les Moras, screen by Cabarubias. Carpentero balik kay Les Moras. Cabarubias with the ball, attacking against Agonia. Up and under, no good. Tinapik ni Andale, napunta kay Takuloy. 1 against 2. Takuloy for 3. Short. Andale with an effort to steal the ball, but out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay San Pedro. Six to 4. Les Moras crosses over against Takuloy. Floater no good. Tapi ka naman ng bola. Andale now with the ball. 2 against 2. Andale all the way. And yes sir. This is the last game for Barangay Lumbia and Barangay San Pedro para sa Urban Division eliminations. So congratulations sa ato ang top 3 for securing the quarterfinal spot. And the remaining teams, they will be playing against each other for the 4th spot para sa ato ang quarterfinals. Takuloy ito sa Ludsod. Corner 3. Bumawi agad si sa Ludsod ng 3. Binawian si Les Moras ng 3. Les Moras to Cabarubias. Inside pass to Mige. Ganda ng pasa. At may foul pa na tinawag against Luna. Good look there by Cabarubias. Cabarubias will sit on the bench. Placed by Mige. Daddy M. Baby M missing the free throw, out of bounds. San Pedro ball. Mige to De Los Santos. 3-pointer. Mintes. Agonia with a rebound. Now to Andale. Hesitation. Steps back. Another hesi to Takuloy. Back to Andale. Corner 3. Mintes. Agonia flying for the rebound. And Agonia is fouled. And a big shutdown para kay Direk Banjo Marudo. Claudevan Baniked. Ang pinakagwapo nga direktor sa CIO. It's Direk Banjo Marudo. aka Cloud Evan Bunny Kid. Nya lami pod na rhyme. Rhyme. Lami pod na. Bantog ra jikas kadiya May tag mga tuk-an ng mga nasa live. George, may tag matuk-an ng nasa live control, no? Sila ra may gatusok-tusok diha.
Sige lang, naka-Jollibee bitaw ganiya.
Yatis. Yaya, Jollibee mga George. May tag mga tuk-an sila, oy. Oh. Di maayo nanlalamang ng kapwa. Kala ko tumutulong, paglaki ko gusto kong tumulong sa kapwa, nanlalamang ng kapwa din Magkapwa na lang ko inigdako po na ako para tabangan ko. Carpenter, Tules, Moras over De Los Santos, corner 3. Bang! De Los Santos hits the corner 3 for Barangay St. Peter. Sa ludsod, gustong bumawi, too strong. Agonia, Tuan Dale, cross court to Saludsod, Hesi driving, Andale corner 3, bang! Andale with a corner 3 for Barangay Lumbia, 4-point lead. Les Moras, long 2, but number 16 is there to catch that miss. Atras buhok, abanti agtang. Les Moras, the give and go of Barangay San Pedro. Sakto, Trek. Punya lami po na. Wana, dalian ninyo gurot kay padulong na si George. Oh, nahinay na kuan abante. Bawa na, kurbada na. Speeding his way towards live control. George, nakahiring na yung pagkaon. Tumira ng 14 anyos. Kulong. Awa na. Back to our ball game with 40 seconds left in the first quarter. Takuloy, guarded by Carpentero. Bagsak si Takuloy. And stolen by Carpentero. Against Andale. Side step off the glass, missing it. Andale with the rebound. Speeding his way. No look pass. Takuloy is blocked. Traveling violation called against Takuloy. Ganda ng pasa ni Andale. Takuloy nasa tamang pwesto, but then a defender is there from behind blocking him. Forced shot by Abaa. And that's the end of our first quarter. Tied at 18. Oy George, gano'n naman ka diya George, diri man imong pwesto. Lakas ng pang-amoy ni George. Ingon bitaw ko ninyo nga dalian na ninyo gurot diha. Okay, grabe kurbada, 140 ang kurbada ni George. Why break? Lan, kumusta naman imong mga cousins, Lan? Kunyara ni Gumans Dula. yawas. Grabe si George. Nakikaon ra, paspas pa kay makatuhog. Lupigon pa mamutuhog ang nagpalit. Awa na. Amra ko giusap oy. Anin yon over gikongko. Ginkono day, ginkono. Gikongkon pa noon. Cabero ball strip from his hands. Stolen by Templa. And now, transition offense for San Pedro. Mintes ang layup ni Templa. Medyo kinulang pa sa Templa si Templa. Wa pa ka warm up ba? Cabero, what a nice fake. Tokan yun na ron. Wa pa ka warm up, wa pa natarong Templa. And Templa catches it. O, di ba? Unya ni taon-taon, manginit ni Templa. Sakto na nagtimpla. Awa na si George, humanag tuhog-tuhog. Lakaw na yun. Murag iro ba? Wag yun, nang head. Dagan pa. Murag. Carrion. Baseline jumper. And a foul called against number 11. Said man gud na. Said man o. Anin yun? Now to Cabero. Driving. Cabero.
Jersey number 81. Alhas. Personal foul. Second team foul.
Alahas foul. Anin yun? Up and under. He is blocked.
Second shot clock.
Good timing with the blocker there. Ginkono to anin yun. Now to Cabero. Guarded by two defenders. Nakalusot. What a nice pass para kay Ginkono sa ilalim. Cabero breaking two defenders. Cabero. Breaking two defenders from the mid-range. Attacking sa ilalim at nakita si Ginkono. Ganda ng pasa. De Los Santos to Alhas. Balik kay De Los Santos. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Tapikan ang bola. Carrion wins it. Now to Said. Balik kay De Los Santos. Driving over Templa. But a miscommunication pass there between the two players. El Medulan will check in for San Pedro replacing Said. 20-22. Cabero with the ball against El Medulan. Ginkono with a screen. Cross is over. Another cross. He is fouled.
Jersey number 19 foul. Personal foul. Third team foul. Barangay San Pedro. Substitution.
Nebria will check in for De Los Santos. Uy, Renajin was Tomban, shout out. Shout out pod kang Direk Banjo Marudo. Shout out daw si George Renajin. John Fred Puerto, shout out. Bobong Banghal. Renji Kimson o Jerome Nazareno, shout out. Again, shout out kay Direk. Uy, shout out kay Rai Majesty. Watching live. Watching live and eating live. Hi daw George. Agoy. Muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig.
Foul jersey number 30, Kitsun.
Basin sa COD.
Personal foul.
Basin sa COD na pod ni masakpan.
Para kay Lumpia. 6 seconds to shoot.
Alhas. Inside feed. Carrion. Fakes. Bars and basket. May kasama pang foul.
Foul jersey number 17.
Wow, shout out daw si Rai Majesty sa iyahang baby. Taga-asa Rai.
Personal foul. 13 foul. Para kay Lumpia.
Sao niya pagkabalo. Nako. Oh, shout out daw si Raima sa iyang baby nga si Fernando Po Jr.
Double foul. Foul
Shout
jersey
out po
number
kay
15.
Inday Cyrus Tual, the only rose among the thorns sa table.
Foul jersey number 6. Para kay Lumpia.
Tied at 22 with 6 minutes and 51 seconds left in the second quarter.
Foul position para kay San Pedro.
Shout out kay Rahim Hadi.
14 seconds to shoot.
Stay strong daw mo sa inyong uyab, Ray. Aw, isa. Ari na Jen. Ah. Naa siya sa akong brain. Abi na ko ang baby na sa tiyan na sa brain. Shout out ko kay Ronald Santiago. Sa tanaog sa tanang taga Upper Lumboy. Oh, matik yan.
Dula. Foul jersey number 20.
Pati mo na gamit-gamit pagkaglay ngalan good.
Personal foul. 14 fouls para kay San Pedro.
Poor catch Banawa Zulweta. Wash out ni paring Alhas. Carrion crosses over against Caberio.
Mario.
Aninyon. Tudular. Umararo sa ilalim. Spin move. Agawan ng bola. Jump ball. Mananatili sa Barangay Lumbia. Go Lumbia. Go Takuloy. Oh, ingon si Ronald Santiago.
7 seconds to shoot.
Daghan yung kay account ni si Pati. Pati bang account na apod. Aninyon. Attacking from the middle. No good. Nebria with the rebound. Hustled by Dolar. Now to Carrion. Driving towards the basket and he's fouled.
Foul jersey number 6.
Duhara day Patrick. Chor dia Patrick.
14 foul.
Shout out
Para kay Lumpia.
Abdullah Sumael. Dugay pa yun ang dula sa Murikay kay waiting sila sa kuan. Top 1 magod sila god. Dugay pa yun ang dula yun. Basta kay dugay pa. Dugay nak. Arriba San Pedro. Relax lang daw kay brothers na ng kuan Lumbia, of course. Silingan ragod nagbarangay. Ding Dong Dantes sa Ludsod. Shout out kang Carrion. By Edel Malaubang. Oh, palak pa sa ring oh. Agonia. Hustled. Ball stripped from his hands. Stolen. Pass break. Para kay Carrion. And Carrion scores it. For Barangay San Pedro. Leading the game with 3 points. Agonia. Sa ludsod, pumukawala ng 3. Mintes, Luna with the rebound. Strip from his hands. Alhas with the ball. Floater, no good. Tapi ka ng bola sa ludsod, wins that rebound. Now, to Andale. Fires from downtown, in and out. Agonia with the rebound. Second chance is missed. Rebounded now by Carrion. Alhas, stolen by Andale. And Andale, good feed kay Takuloy sa gitna.
Shot clock red.
And sa ludsod, missing it.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Takuloy, heavy traffic, missing that layup, comes up short. Now to Mige, to Carpentero, yes sir! Dingdong Dantes sa ludsod, driving, Andale, pumakawala ng 3, Mintes na naman. Sa ludsod with that rebound. Ball will remain in Barangay Lumbia. Sa ludsod, smartly throwing the ball in the feet of Mige as he saves it, forcing Mige to commit a turnover. And Agonia, smooth move. Shout out kay Arvin Intong sa Barangay Tuburan. Mige to Carrion, jumper sa gitna, no good. Agonia with the rebound, may pa-extend pa ng Siko. Ay na lang yun, magtuga-tugang ilog. Takuloy bumangga, offensive foul.
Foul jersey number 11, Takuloy. Personal foul.
Carpentero crosses over, now to Carrion, stops and fires, miss. Miguel with the rebound, outside Les Boras, pumakawala ng 3, Mintes. Agonia to Andale, 1 against 3, Andale all the way, yes sir!
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Agonia, fast break, stolen by Les Boras.
Les Boras.
Darren De La Cruz, shot out. Jerome Nazareno o kang George tuwas tumban. Agonia, low post. He is fouled by Cabarubias. Shout out kay Rena Jean Amis. Shout out kay Rena Jean Amis. Idol yun kay ni Patrick si George ay. George, tumira ng 14. Wallpaper dek uyab, mura ra magdili kabalo nga nakaliwa si George, lazy Rob. Oy, Vincent J. Liagas. Shout out dia.
Here's number 8, first foul.
32-31, Lumbia up by 1. Cabarubias unable to make his first throw. Pangalawang tira, will he tie the game? Uy, shout out kay George Banahera Iskinsan eh. Cabarrubias ties the game at 32. 37 seconds. Takuloy fakes, fires from downtown. Bang! Takuloy hits it from the wing for Barangay Lumbia. Ano nag-comment ni Patrick Good? Bus pa. Oh. And that's the end of our first half. Lumbia up by 3, 35-32.
Second quarter. This quarter is brought to you by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Patrick Fernandez.
Hala, tuod no, dula mday na to day ugma. Limot ko da. Second game no, second game. Say dula ugma. And Brown out.
Gilbert, tumira ng 14 anyos, tamang ng forma. Lala ng tinuod na Mr. Suabe.
Sound check, Patrick. Good. Uy, dako kay mong tingog, madungog sa
Third quarter.
and third quarter. Carpentero balik kay Les Moras. De Los Santos over Carrion. Baseline jumper miss. Takuloy with the rebound. Now to Andale. Andale to Luna. Dolar fakes inside Luna. Di pa rin makalusot. Now to on the left. Fakes, drives outside Agonia. 9-second shot clock. Agonia, smooth jumper from the mid-range. Another miss for Barangay San Pedro. And Supalpal. Now to kita juga ayo. And Luna commits his second personal foul.
Barangay Lumbia, 2 shots for jersey number 18, Carpintero.
Wala internet. Bantogra. Nana. Agonia. 10 seconds shot clock. Stolen by Les Moras. Pass break para kay Carpintero. Luna missing that middle shot. Les Moras to De Los Santos. Open 3. Too strong. Carrion. Inside feed kay Carpintero. Ganda nakita ni Carrion for Carpenter. Agonia. Another smooth jumper by Agonia. Kaya saan? Live? Wala live? Wala live? Nawala? Pangita ah. Les Moras, quick release. Dolar with the ball. Andele misses that jumper. Carpintero. Uy, natake talaga si Luna. But this time, Luna smartly just raising his hands to avoid a foul. Carpintero, bounce pass, nice fake by De Los Santos.
Foul, Luna. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Lumbia. 2 shots for jersey number 9, De Los Santos.
Tied at 39. Wala. Tarungan ng live dia, Patrick. Bagon karon trick. Caberio. Ball is lost. Now to Agonia. Low post. Out of bounds. Too strong for that pass. Out of bounds, audience. San Pedro up by 1. De Los Santos to Les Moras. Inside Cabarubias. Carpintero, long 3. Way off the mark. De Los Santos recovers it and another foul for Luna.
Foul, Luna. Fourth personal foul. Third team foul.
Pang-apat na foul ni Luna.
2 shots for jersey number 9, De Los Santos.
De Los Santos mintes ang unang tira. Pangalawang tira suyo. Uy, hapin-hapin. Andale, corner 3. In and out. Carpentero and Cabarrubias catches that rebound. Les Moras stops, fires. Miss, but Carpentero is there to clean up the mess.
Foul jersey number 8, Les Moras.
Naunsa naman eh. And Saludsod nails it. Wala-wala lagi, no? No, wala-wala. Ngita-ngita lang po. Andale! And lays it up. Carpentero to Cabarrubias. Basket and a foul.
Foul jersey number 6. Fourth personal foul. Fourth big foul. Barangay Lumbia. Bonus throw for jersey number 14. Cabarrubias.
Bawian ng puntos mga ka-Asenso. What a nice rally here. 43-44. Hindi nagkakalayo ang lamang ng Barangay Lumbia at Barangay San Pedro. We are at our third period. And ganun pa rin. Good rally. Andale steps back. Baseline jumper is good. Les Moras. To Carrion, 3-pointer, bang! Carrion leads the game with 2 points from that 3-pointer, 45-47. Hindi pa rin malayo ang lamang. Caberio to Saludsod, fakes, drives, jumper, and Carrion fouls Saludsod. Foul ba agad to?
Foul jersey number 7.
Si jersey number 7 nga si Carrion may foul. 22.
Correction. Foul jersey number 22. Carrion.
Inak.
Second personal foul.
Correction tape.
Second big foul.
Saludsod.
Barangay San Pedro.
Mintes ang unang tira. Saludsod. Pasok ang pangalawang tira. Les Moras to De Los Santos. Balik kay Les Moras. Fakes to Carrion. Inside feed to Carpentero. Carrion and a nice look there to Carpentero. Noticing na walang bantay si Carpentero sa ilalim. Saludsod. Corner pass to Caberio. Agonia. Baseline jumper, high arcing shot, missed. Les Moras with the rebound. Dali-dali pinasa para kay Carpentero. Yes, sir!
Barangay Lumbia.
7-2 run for Barangay San Pedro.
This round is brought to you by Asenso Sports Channel.
And this timeout mga ka-Asenso is brought to us by Crossover Designs PH. Kung gusto ko magpa-design sa inyong mga jersey, uniforms, polo shirt, t-shirt, jacket, warmer, poster, pwede ninyo i-message ang Crossover Designs PH. In partnership with Ace Gerald Tailoring, KL Printing Shop, and Zeus Printing Shop. Wow. Gara kayo, no? And now back to our ball game from that timeout. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining sa atong third quarter. 46-51. 7-2 run for Barangay San Pedro. And Miguel is fouled.
Foul jersey number 7, Miguel. First personal foul, third team foul. Barangay San Pedro.
Caberio.
Shot clock 10.
Ginkono, what a reverse layup there. And one for Ginkono.
Foul jersey number 7, Miggy.
Okay nang live?
Second personal foul.
Ano, nalood na ko.
Correction, foul jersey number 70.
Correction tape. Mige hindi nakahabol sa pasa, pero nakahabol kung matulog. Kay tugnaw man. Andale.
Shot clock 10.
Pull up jumper off the glass and it's good.
2 minutes for the
Shout out sa akong asawa nga si Leia Franny galantaw karon. Go Takuloy, idol daw na ni Ronald Santiago. Les Moras, teardrop miss, tapi ka ng bola. Andale wins that rebound. Hinahabol ni Mige. Andale all the way, bounce pass. Caberio, nice sidestep off the glass, missing it. Mige with the rebound, passing it to number 17. Now to Carpentero. Wide open three. And too strong. Daddy M is there to clean up the mess. Shout out Doy Doy kung mata pa. Wala kitaan. Wala kitaan. Ngisil. Wala kitaan rep.
foul jersey number 18.
Naginaingon nga sa makita lang.
Penalty. Carpintero, first personal foul.
55 seconds left. Humahabol ang Barangay Lumbia. 4-2 run for Lumbia. And sa Ludsod, nails it. 5-2 run. Basket is good.
Substitution.
Ay, isa pa rin. Wala day. Sub call, sub. And Salud Stod still nailing it. Oy, shout out Saysay oh. Georgel Tuwal. Hello daw nak. Hello daw nak. Diyan ni Georgel Tuwal. Georgel Tuwal. Ay, shout out daw si Saysay sa iyang mama. Uy, shout out kay Rogen Valley of Lison Valley. Yeah. Congrats day Lison Valley. Kasamad na po do, grabe. Congratulations for advancing the next round. No, third round, I think. Third round sa Rural A. And Les Moras nails his first throw. Shoutout daw si Saysay sa iyang mama. Andale. Against Daddy M. Sidestep. Off the glass. Miss. Agonia with the rebound. Bagsak silang dalawa. Les Moras fakes, drives, off the glass, and it's good. Mukhang nasaktan si Agonia. Sa scuffle nila ni Daddy M. Shout out na siya sa iyang asawa. Nga si Yen Duhay Lungsod from Roldan, Duhay Lungsod. May gabi diha bale. Shout out kay Val Templa, idol MVP of San Pedro, Ayan Kim Nasyad. Ito galambod ang ilahang tiil. Shout out si Patrick Kong Rose. Kung naa pa.
Technical foul, jersey number 23, Andale, for extraction.
Extra motion. Extra motion gani. Extra motion. Makakakita word nga extra motion. Basa daw sa pangitados dictionary extraction. Bagon karon. Kasi construction. Construction. Walang kupas si Orbel sa lutsod Dingdong Dantes ng Lumbia mo jud. Guang idaran na live po kay paminaw ng guwang idaran na. Shout out kang Dodong Ibina nga naglantaw karon. Shout out kay Dodong. Love daddy.
14.6 seconds for the third quarter.
Dodong. Ano wa pa man ka natulog dong. 10 seconds left. Caberio. What a pass there. Under the basket. Andale. Basket and a foul for Andale. Shout out sa iyahang bana nga si Ronald Cabarubias from Christine Abong. Watching from DENR RM SG Quijano from Alvin Ort Quijano. Shout out po sa Cotingo family nga naglantaw. Les Moras to Daddy M to Carpentero and missing that buzzer beater.
End of the third quarter.
55-56, 1 point lead lang for Barangay San Pedro. What a close game here for both teams. Shout out kay Coach Gimba. Coach, pasalubong. Hapit na bata magdula. Karong Bernes ata. CN ko Colamber o SBL. Shoutout kay Felix nga galantaw karon from Tawagan Sur from Banghal Calvo. Wash out daw sa baby boy Janjan Uba. Uy, happy birthday kay Janjan Uba. Nga nag-celebrate sa iyahang birthday karon here from CDO Bites June.
Tingnan ba? Tirayma duha ka 50 George.
Rhyme. Rhyma ba? Rhyma. Ang duha daw ka babe ni George naningil siya. Vincent J. Liagas, shout out po kay Janjan Uba, happy birthday. Good luck Team San Pedro, especially sa Yambana nga si Paul De Los Santos from Vivie Cobrado. Shout out kay Alvin Anchola. Georgiel Tuwal, shout out daw ana si Daddy Totonak amping inig uli. Aman. And a big shout out also to our league convener, Boss Lance ko. Maayong gabi, sir. Bala, ikaw, trabaho na din mo. Direct June Javier, Barangay Santiago. Darren De La Cruz, shout out. Mark Melindo. Ronald Santiago, shout out sa tanang taga Upper Lumboy. Yun, all the way from Caloocan City. Mes Dagadas, Andy. Oy, Andy, nga nawa magkani Andy dire. Shout out kong Mark Kalawan, gamayng 10 rice. Ayan, Kim Nasyad, shout out. EG Bustamante, shout out Direct John Javier. Wala. Kung saan mo na ka mo balik dire Coach Gimba? Pasalubong, Coach. Dudol lang, Coach. Kung asa makakaroon, pasalubongin kong dudol. May kay kaog dudol, Coach. Paborito ka na ako, Coach.
Second personal foul. First team foul. Barangay Lumbia.
3-point lead, Barangay San Pedro. Coach Gimba, dudol lang pag uwi. Les Moras fires from downtown. Off the mark. Ayun, dalaan ako dudol. Sige, Coach. Salamat kay Coach. I love you so much, Coach. Saludsod without hesitation. Jamil Marcaban, shout out. Agonia. Low post strip from his hands. Ang bola ni De Los Santos. Now to Carpentero against Taculoy. Carpentero short for that layup. Saludsod. Driving. Now to Agonia. Umararo. Supalpal ni Carion. What a block by Carion. Good timing there. Lagi. Agonia, long two. Another smooth move. Bumawi si Agonia. Sa jumper na yon. High arcing shot pa talaga. Templa lays it up. Missed. Andale. And another block by Carrion. But this time a foul is called.
Foul jersey number 22, Carrion.
And yes, it was a foul yun. Because timing ang pagbangga sa body ni Andale for that block. Andale intentionally, you know, leaning his body towards the defender. And while Andale ang iyahang motion is paabante manggod, and si Carrion pod paabante pod ang iyahang kuan, tagbo gyud sila. Although it was a block, but una gyud sila nagbangga sa ilang lawas. So smart move by Andale, but a good defense unta kay Carrion. But it was really a foul. Les Moras. Another drive and another score for Les Moras. 59-16, hindi pa rin talaga nagkakalayo ang score. Saludsod to Andale, open three. Bang! Andale! Pumasok pa talaga. Les Moras now. Teardrop, yes sir, by Les Moras! What a rally here, ties the game at 62. Shout out po diha boss diri dapit sa JNT Express Warehouse Tiguma. LAS Lukmong. Saludsod naman outside Takuloy, bakante for 3. Too strong Agonia, tapi ka ng bola. Les Moras wins the rebound. Crossover against Andale, ball goes to Barangay Lumbia kay naigo sa tiil ni Les Moras.
14 seconds na clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Shout out upper si Batang Team J. Aldadoli. Aninyon will check in for Barangay Lumbia. Shout out Cabarubias, Baltembla, Carrion. Ang pinakagayas ang Centro Basketball Club, Estrella Dunga. Saludsod. Shout out ko sa SBL, Supreme Basketball League. Saludsod with a pull-up jumper, too strong. Gets his own rebound. Ball stripped from his hands by De Los Santos. Now Les Moras to Carrion. Speeding his way. Traveling violation called against Carrion. Nah, it was a travel. Shout out ni John Leo Uba, birthday niya karon lagi man na birthday na kuan Jan. Labert Maata, pinaka-shooter sa Dumagok. Eddie Wabinga. Takuloy. Tuanin yon. Now to Saludsod. Driving. And there's a foul called against Les Moras. Shout out sa among gwapo nga silingan, Romel Jan Daig.
Les Moras. Second personal.
Basta taga Sunrise, gwapo yun na. Lumbay sa Black Tree, mga gwapo yun na, di ba Daig? Saludsod hits his first throw. Les Moras ang foul. Les Moras. Raymark the Nightcrawler Yunting, shout out. Basket will count. Aba will check in. Lalang, gwapong commentator. Siyempre, daghan ng views. Happy birthday, Win Lungay from JJ Insik. Les Moras stops and fires, no good. Mige, the putback is good. Shout out pa na sa yung idol nga si Bangkuyan, Jedel Akal. Mige, umararo sa ilalim for that putback. Tied at 64. Andale. Aninyon, lumapit, tumira. Mintes. Agawa ng bola sa ere. Agonia wins that rebound. Now to Aninyon. Andale. Almost stolen. Balik kay Andale. Fakes. Fires. Off the glass and it's good by Andale. Lamang ang Barangay Lumbia. What a nice pass inside. Miguel reverse layup. Mintes. Saludsod with the rebound. Andale with the ball. Ning Menor driving and missed. Gets his own rebound. Nice hustle there by Andale for not giving up the ball. It was against 4 defenders, mga ka-Asenso. And Andale did not give up that ball from that miss. 68-64, 4-point lead for Barangay Lumbia.
El Councilor, Martin Reglero Sel.
Ay, shout out Jeep Balongkas.
Na-shot na. Siya ba itong balungkas? Siya ba ito sa luburan?
Ah,
Bakit yung balungkas isa kanya katumit?
laipod to. Shout out Clint Mark Flores. Hoy, Andy. Ano man kanian ni Andy? Kauron Andy, patawag ra ba mo? Uli ka. Les Moras. Nakalusot. And yes, sir! What a teardrop there by Les Moras. Balik sa dalawa ang lamang. Sa ludsod. Hesi. Good defense by Les Moras. Sa ludsod. Traveling violation. Shout out sa Team Balale waiting for champion. Coach Gimba. Good defense there by Les Moras. Abaa, corner 3. Mintes. Sa ludsod gets that rebound. Takuloy. Tuandale. Taking their time. Shout out kay Tunyakaw nga galantaw karon. Joy Tunyakaw. Andale with a 5-second shot clock. Pulls up jumper from the baseline. Andale, what a shot there. Now Carpentero fakes, fires against Takuloy, and he is fouled. A good fake there by Carpentero. Huling-huli si Takuloy.
Foul jersey number 11, Takuloy. Third personal foul, second team foul. Barangay Lumbia. 2 shots for jersey number 18, Carpintero.
Joy Tunyakaw, hello. (70-67), 3-point lead Barangay Lumbia. Entering to zone violation.
Entering the zone violation.
Shout out, tawagan team from Diwa. Hello, may gabi Joy. Three-point lead, Lumbia, Saludsod to Andale against Baby M. Hesi steps back. Good dribbling skills, but oh! What a defense there by Mige! Andale nahuli with his younger defender, Mige. Now to De Los Santos. Ooh, De Los Santos for 3. Bang! Ties the game at 70! De Los Santos hits it from downtown. Saludsod. Aninyon. Mintes. Carrion with a rebound. 3 against 3. De Los Santos fakes. Hesi, spin move. Mige sa ilalim. Kapos ang tira. Bagsak si Mige. Now to Aninyon. Fast break para kay Agonia. Nag-iisa. Yes, sir! Les Moras. Ay, nakubitan.
Foul jersey number 4.
Magla-last 2 minutes na. What a game. What a, say tawagan ni season finale nga game. No, before we enter to our play-in. Les Moras. Last 2 minutes. And De Los Santos is fouled by Agonia.
Mayo, Sammy Cook, like player Sally Ascenso.
And
Foul jersey number 10, Algonia. Second personal foul for team foul, Barangay Lumbia.
Carpentero to Mige. Huling 2 minuto ng huling laro para sa ating season. Les Moras. Mige. Jumper no good. Agonia with the rebound. Fast break to Aninyon. And Aninyon lays it up for 2. Carpentero. Now, Mige almost lost it. Double dribble by Mige. Shout out boss Kimpi Lozada. AJL 62. Maayong gabi ni mo diha boss. Aman. Shout out. Trabaho na ikaw gagunit diha. Tsaka. And a big shout out to our league convener, Honorable Lance Co. Thank you very much, boss. Also, kay boss Kimpi Lozada of AJL 62. Kung Jep Balongkas, kung mapildi mo sa play-in, tagak nyo diretso. Knockout system mga tuwang play-in. Andale to Agonia.
Shot clock
7-second shot clock. Andale. Outside sa Ludsod. Shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation.
San Pedro will have a chance. Seconds to play. De Los Santos lays it up for 2.
Seconds to play for the final quarter.
Under a minute to play. Renji Gibson, shout out Nemo. Aninyon is hustled. Now Andale.
Shot clock
10-second shot clock. Andale is fouled by Carpentero.
Carpentero. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
2 puntos lang ang lamang ng Barangay Lumbia. San Pedro still has a chance to tie the game or take the lead. With under a minute to play, 35 seconds left. Andale has the ball. Pull-up jumper. Mintes sa Ludsod. And ball will remain in Barangay Lumbia.
13 seconds shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot.
13-second shot clock with 26 seconds game clock. Andale over sa Ludsod. Guarded by Mige. Balik kay Andale. Guarded by Carion. Double team sa Ludsod. 5-second shot clock sa Ludsod. Tuhanin yun. Short. Rebounded now by Carion. Now to Les Moras. Les Moras is fouled.
Foul jersey number 10, Algonia.
Shout out kay Ace Gerald of Ace Gerald Tailoring sa Barangay Balintawak.
Jersey number 8, Les Moras.
Les Moras missed his first throw. Crucial free throw for Les Moras. What will be his strategy here tonight? Will he intentionally miss the free throw and gets the rebound? Oy, happy birthday kay Raymark na Nightcrawler Yunting of Barangay Palpalan. Les Moras miss it. Rebound by Tacoloy. Andale has the ball. He's still fouled by Mige.
Foul jersey number 7.
Ganda ng laro.
Third personal foul. Fourth team foul.
What a rally here by two teams. Dolar will check in. San Pedro still has one foul to give. 3 seconds.
Foul jersey number 18, Capitero. Third personal foul, penalty.
Agonia. And first throw hits it. Second throw, Mintes, Carpentero. And that's the end of our ball game, mga ka-Asenso. 75-72. Congratulations to Barangay Lumbia. And thank you very much sa mga naglantaw karong gabi una. This is your commentator, Gab. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. That's the end of our elimination games sa atuang Urban Division Games. Get ready, mga ka-Asenso, para sa atuang play-in period.